Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree. Today is Sunday, June 9th. It is 12:16 right now, and I am about to make my way to Walmart. I really want to get a smoothie, but I don't know if I'm going to get something or not. But basically, y'all, so y'all already know I was redecorating my suite and everything like that, updating it a little bit. And I decided that I wanted to get a bigger mini fridge, because the mini fridge that I have, it's like a mini fridge. Like, I want a bigger one so I can actually put enough drinks on it and then like put my snack stuff on top. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to head to Walmart, and I actually ordered my mini fridge off of Walmart website, so I gotta go pick that up from there. And then I'm gonna get some snacks from there too, but I'm trying to like get like healthy snacks or alternative, because I feel like I need to stop eating bad, and I wouldn't want my clients to eat bad either. So if you want to eat bad, then you do that on your own time. But in my suite, I just want to have like good stuff, the good stuff, you know. We'll see when we get in there, like what all I'm gonna get and stuff. I made a list. So after I go in the store and get all these stuff, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my refrigerator, because I did do curbside pickup. So hopefully they can put it in the trunk or in the back seat, because I know it's heavy. And I'm just thinking about how I'm finna get it in this suite, because I'm by myself. So it's like, how am I about to do this? We're gonna get it done by all means necessary. Jesus is gonna give me the strength, because I need it, honestly.
I'm freaking out about the way you love me, even when you see.
Alright, y'all, so we in Walmart, and I got this app, right? I'm about to show y'all what it's called. So it basically shows like what's good and what's not. This app right here. So basically like this. This is bad. What in the world? And they give you like recommendations. Y'all, or at least I tried to get some good stuff. I'm about to go pick up my refrigerator. The pickup side is on that side, so I'm gonna make sure my lip ain't white. Y'all know I'm irritated, right? Y'all know I'm irritated, right? First of all, last night I was on Walmart, right? I was buying a mini fridge online because it was in stock. So why the boy just tell me just now that they don't have it? I'm like, what you mean? What you mean? I done pay my money. I done swipe my card. So explain to me, where's my fridge that I paid for? He's like,
they have it, but they don't have it in stock.
I said, well, why y'all got it on y'all thing? Y'all need to take that off, because I mean, people thinking that they can get a fridge and y'all don't have it. Y'all need to update y'all stuff. Not him, but you know, Walmart. I need to order another fridge. I need to put my money back on my card. Let me check my card right now, actually. put that 118 back on my card right now today.
I need this stuff from the river. Just wanna get what you get. Turn the million down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I'm the type to leave the 99 to get the one.
Y'all, I got it. How am I about to get this out? Lord, give me the strength. How am I gonna get this out? It took 2 of them to put this in the back seat. So how am I about to get this out of here? All right, y'all, I did it. Ah, thank you, Jesus. So this is how it looks. Y'all, it was at this moment I knew I messed up. This is big. This is what happens when you be fast, because the one I ordered from Walmart was 3.3 cubic feet. This one is 4.3. The plan is to move this, and I'm basically replacing this stand with the refrigerator and putting my towel on top of it. So yeah, that we about to do. I'm about to move these stuff, and then I'm gonna get all my other stuff together. Y'all, I got it out, but it's so big. Look at that. Y'all see my packaging? Look at this. This is so... When you open it, like, wow. A lot of stuff can get in here. Okay, I have to come back. I need to figure out what I'm about to do. How I'm about to make this work, because I gotta figure something out. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I needed a minute because I was freaking out, because like I said, this thing is big, but I feel like I made a way, so I decided to put it right here. I haven't took the plastic off of it all the way yet, but yeah. So I got still all this space. I'm gonna just probably leave it blank, but this is my towel warmer. Need this to be there. And then this one I'm gonna have my chips and candy at. I just moved my desk up because my desk is small, so I just moved it up. Y'all know that's right there. And then over here, it's not junky, I promise. I just got, y'all know, that over there. I put my sterilizer there, my fan. And yeah, I just try to keep it simple, not too much stuff on here as possible. So yeah.
Freaking out about the way you love me, even when I do you wrong. I know that you're always thinking of me, gotta put it in a song. Your love is perfect, I have nothing to fear. You give me security, yeah. You're so loyal that I never have to wonder. You give me all that I need. I can't get enough of your love.
That's all the drinks, y'all. And then I got this drink, which is disgusting, but I don't know. One of my clients might drink that. Alright, now I have to close it. They get cold. I'm about to move up here.
Nothing seems to captivate me quite like you do. You can have my full devotion. I'm committed to you. You're the mystery revealed, undoubted. Feels so good I have to sing about it. I'm so happy that you hold me close. I don't ever wanna let you go.
this off. But yeah, so got all my little skinny popcorn. Got my Quakers chips. The only ones I have eaten before is the cheddar. I don't even feel like nothing in here for real. Like what? The cheddar and the caramel. Caramel is good. The cheddar is good. So I haven't tried the apple cinnamon. Probably won't. Nature Valley. So like I got my morning clients. You can eat these in the morning too. Well, you can eat these. You eat all these in the morning, honestly. They're good. Got a few candies in here. Hey, yeah, y'all. Got some pineapple juice in here. Apple juice. I love Mott's. Mott's is so good. I haven't tasted bubbly yet, but yeah. But yeah, I think it's good for now. So yeah, I was freaking out for a long time because I was just like, my space is already small and having this big thing in here just makes it smaller. But it's fine, it's cool. You know, I just rearranged some stuff a little bit, move my desk up because my desk is small already. Y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. Make sure you share this video with a brother, sister, cousin, auntie, everybody. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.